Biomerica received a current procedural terminology (CPT) code in the proprietary laboratory analysis (PLA) code category for its InFoods IBS test from the American Medical Association CPT editorial panel. This new PLA code assigns a unique identifier to the test, allowing for the submission of claims to Medicare and private insurers once it becomes effective on October 1, 2025. The issuance of the PLA code represents a significant milestone in Biomerica's commercialization strategy and efforts to expand patient access to the InFoods IBS test. According to Zaki Rani, CEO of Biomerica, this step is crucial in enabling more patients to access the test through health insurance reimbursement. The PLA code streamlines the claims process and supports the company's broader goal of helping patients and physicians adopt a personalized, non-drug approach to managing IBS symptoms. The InFoods IBS test is a first-of-its-kind diagnostic that identifies patient-specific foods that may be triggering IBS symptoms. By measuring immune responses to a clinically defined panel of common foods, the test helps healthcare providers deliver personalized dietary therapy guidance. This approach offers a targeted alternative to trial-and-error diets and symptom-masking medications. IBS affects an estimated 10 to 15% of adults in the U.S., resulting in up to $10 billion in direct annual medical costs. The InFoods IBS test addresses this substantial unmet need by providing a scientifically validated, non-invasive tool to improve symptom control and enhance quality of life for patients. Results from a randomized, controlled clinical trial published in Gastroenterology demonstrated the test's effectiveness, with patients who followed a diet based on InFoods test results experiencing significantly greater symptom reduction than those on a placebo diet. The InFoods IBS test is currently available through leading gastroenterology practices and is also offered directly to consumers via the company's website. The PLA code issuance improves transparency in the reimbursement of the InFoods IBS test, supporting Biomerica's mission to deliver personalized, non-drug solutions for chronic conditions. As insurance coverage is enabled and clinical evidence grows, the company expects the InFoods IBS test to become an important tool in the treatment and management of IBS and related gastrointestinal disorders. Biomerica's InFoods platform represents a scalable opportunity for innovation in GI care, driving better outcomes for patients and delivering value for healthcare providers and shareholders alike. With the PLA code in place, there's a clear path ahead for long-term value creation and expanded patient access to its innovative diagnostic solution. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.